can't even explain it. Why am I doing this video? The purpose of this vlog is not to brag, because first of all, I don't have the most expensive, the most advanced gear in the market, so there's really nothing to brag about. Hi everyone, it's me Nikki and welcome to my channel. So for today's vlog, I will be sharing to you guys what's inside my camera bag. Like you care and you're interested to know, just pretend. So this medium-sized camera bag that I have here that was given to me by MEIKE can carry all of my lenses, like 4 or 5 lenses, plus my DSLR and then my mirrorless camera. It's not the heavy-duty camera bag that a professional photographer would own. So this one is just like for you guys who are in a budget, or for those of you guys who are actually looking for a bag that can carry lightweight lenses and gears. If you're still starting with your photography, videography thing, I would recommend buying a bag like this because it has compartments where you can put your lenses, camera body, and your chargers, adapters, and your other camera accessories that you can bring with you, especially when you travel, instead of using the regular backpack. I haven't used this one in a heavy rainfall situation, but I guess this one quite protects my cameras from minor water spills. Ever since, I was always using a lunch bag as a camera bag because I didn't want people to know that I'm bringing with me a camera. What I also like about bringing my camera bag with me, especially when I travel, is that I bring this one and then another carry-on bag, and that's still fine. I can still go even if it's like 7-8 kilograms or 10 kilograms. It depends on how much you're allowed to bring as a carry-on baggage. Okay, so the first camera that I use is my Canon EOS 1100D. My mom was the one who sent me the money to buy this camera. My aunt Mamang Gogi and Papang Egay went with me to Hidalgo, Quiapo to buy this camera. This is one of Canon's oldest camera, DSLR. Still 100% working. It's just that it's starting to lose some parts of the camera. But yeah, it's still working up until now. I still use it from time to time. This is one of the cheapest camera out there. I won't recommend you guys to buy this camera in 2020 because there are also other good cameras that are better than this one that are also on a budget level. So you can just like look for it in the internet and just buy those types of camera. What I have right here is my Canon EOS M100. It's one of the first entry-level mirrorless cameras that Canon released. It has a flip screen. It has a built-in flash. I recommend this camera if you want a vlogging camera that is handy and has an interchangeable lens. I'm about to share to you the lenses that I've been using for the past 2 years, and of course the first lens that I've been using is this lens over here that I'm using most for my vlogging shit, and it's the Canon EF-M 15 to 45 mm. I'm actually reading it there. It has an image stabilizer, so it makes your photos or your videos less shaky. What I like about this kit lens over here is that it's really lightweight and I can zoom in and zoom out of my subject. Look at this. Yeah, zoom in to my pimple and zoom out because you don't want to, stare at my pimple the whole video. It's practically lightweight. It has an autofocus and a manual focus mode. What I like about this lens over here is because it can basically capture me as a subject and my background as well. The thing is, I can't make a bokeh out of this lens. So yeah, that's what I don't like about this lens, because every time I take photos, I can't, make bokeh background shots. Quite good, but not great. These are my compact lenses. Compact lenses are lenses that you can zoom in and then you can zoom out. So you have to adjust with these kinds of lenses. So if you're the type of person who doesn't want to come close and go far from your subject, then this might not be the lens that you want. But what's good about these lenses is that you can make your subject sharp, and you can also make your background blurry and have those bokeh effect backgrounds that you see on some photos. So this is the reason why I have some like blurry effects on some of my photos. These are the lenses that I was using. So again, the body of the camera, it doesn't matter, mirrorless or you're using your DSLR camera, as long as you're using the lenses that will make your subjects pop and background blurry, then you're good to go. So yeah, if you're looking for compact lenses, then I would have to suggest to go and try the 35mm and the 50mm because they're one of the cheapest or most affordable in the market. It's like lightweight. You can bring them almost anywhere. So for those of you guys who are wondering what lens, or yeah, don't ask me what camera because I just use either of my cameras. It could be my M100 or my 1100. Any camera will do as long as you're using the correct appropriate lens. Well, you can still take photos of the moon with any other lenses. It's just that I prefer this one because it can zoom up to 300mm. So this one is my 75 to 300mm. I wouldn't recommend this lens for you guys, especially if you have the budget. It's because this lens over here is one of the oldest lenses. So if you know, if you have the budget, don't buy this lens because, to be honest, it doesn't have an image stabilizer, meaning that if you're like taking shots or taking videos, you'd probably end up taking really shaky shots. I bought this one second hand and it cost me 6,000 to 8,000 pesos for this one second hand. So yeah, it's not that cheap. It's also not that expensive because some lenses, some zoom in lenses will probably cost you 50 to 80 to 100,000 guys. So that's how expensive lenses can be, especially when it's like advanced and branded. If you're a professional photographer, then go ahead and buy. If you are on a budget, then probably you can stick with this one as of the moment. I also take this especially when I go on a hike or I go outside to take photos of the trees, of the birds, of certain subjects that I know that will be moving and that will be far away from me, like the birds on the trees and the birds and the clear blue sky on the blue. I don't know how to sing it, but I can take a decent photo of a bird and then, you know, like, hey bird, I'm gonna take a photo of you. I can't do that. By the time I come near to the bird, even before I come near to the bird, it has flown away. That's why I like using this one, because I can take photos of people even if they're far away and they won't even know it because I'm a spy. Char. Obviously guys, I don't use this lens most of the time. It's because, can you see it? It's quite huge. My dream lens is the large ones like National Geographic level, but I can't afford it because like they cost roughly 80 to 100,000 pesos. And obviously at the moment I don't have the money and I don't have the talents, so I have to stick with this one. You might want to ask me about the adapter because I have my mirrorless and my DSLR. The downside of the mirrorless, they don't have a very wide lens choices, or it can be like expensive, I'm not sure though, but they don't have all the lenses available on the market. So probably if you're going to buy a lens for your mirrorless camera, you'd probably be referred to a different lens which you can't really attach on your mirrorless camera because you have to buy yourself this, and this is an adapter. This would help you make your lens attach to your camera body. So yeah, that's like one of the main accessory that you should buy when you have different cameras and lenses so that you can use them as one. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a freaking thumbs up. This has been Nikki. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel because I need subscribers. And yes, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye!
Make my earthquake, oh, make my earthquake. Riding around cause I'm shaking me up and making my heart break. Make my earthquake, oh, you make my earthquake. Riding around cause I'm shaking me up and making my heart break. Don't need a smile.